If you want to edit photos on iPhone 17, then first of all we're gonna go to the Photos app. Let's open the library and we're gonna choose the photo that we wish to edit. Now over here at the bottom you should be able to find these three sliders. So let's tap on this icon, and over here we can go through different styles, for example, different filters, and we can go, for example, to live in order to choose a different moment from the live option, of course. We can go to adjust in order to make some automatic adjustments over here and there. We can also go to exposure, brilliance, highlights, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, a bunch of different options over here. We also have cropping and cleanup, so you should be able to use these tools pretty easily. In the upper right corner over here we have this markup icon that we can use in order to, for example, draw something on our photos, and we can tap on these three dots in order to, for example, save as a duplicate or something in case you don't want to mess up the original. However, you should still be able to revert to original once you are done. So once you are done with editing, you should be able to press undone in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.